Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Scholastic with another amazing short video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create smart art with text in MS Word. Firstly, you need list. I have a list. Control X, cut this list. Go to Insert, click on Smart Art. I have a vertical list, so I will be selecting this one. Click OK. Now you have the list. Type your text here, Control V, remove the extra text, and you have your list. This was a simple list, but what if I have a list and that each item has an other item or more than one? So let's go back to the insert, go to the smart art, select this option, click OK, like this. Control A, Control V, C. So in this list, it should have subheadings. So I'm just pressing tab and this becomes the subheading of the first one. Clicking on the tab, subheading of the second one, click on the last one and we are done. That's it. You can change the color, you can customize them. That's all. Hopefully the video was informative for you, and if so, then don't forget to subscribe.